With the university students returning to Canada, Toronto's downtown condo market is quickly warming back up. Can we still get a $1 million Lakeview condo with less than $700,000? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you 1+1 condo in Etobicoke. Let's first take a look at its location. I seldom talk about properties in this area, but actually this is a very lovely area. If you're familiar with Etobicoke, you know we actually have a high park next by. Every spring, a lot of people go to this area to appreciate cherry blossom. I personally went there a couple of times. I find out this place is really pretty because if you're already in downtown Toronto, you actually don't see the skyline of downtown Toronto because you're already inside it. But from this area, which is also next to Lake Ontario, but when you look onto the east side, not only you see the downtown Toronto's skyline, you also see those beautiful landmarks such as CN Tower. It's really amazing view. Okay, let's take a look at this property itself. So this is a condo assignment. It's calling for $663,000. One more time for condo assignment, pre-construction assignment, because it's not on MLS. Very often the price is what you see is what you get. You probably have some room to negotiate and you don't need to bid. So that's the beauty of it. So as you can see, this is a rendering of this building, and I don't know if you can see clearly from here. You can see across the Lake Ontario CN Tower here. Although it's a rendering, but you can imagine if you're on the right exposure, how beautiful the view will be. So I really call that $1 million view. So this is a 1+1. You have one bedroom and one den, and the den is big enough to be converted into a bedroom. The square footage is 663 square feet, and you know that for 1+1, this is actually quite sizable. After all, we are not in downtown. With the same amount of money, we can live more spaciously. Not only that, with the price of $663,000, this one already includes one parking and one locker. So this is really nice. All right, let's take a look at the floor plan. Okay, we can see we have a balcony this way, and this is right facing the south. So you do have a very nice Lake Ontario view. After we enter, we are facing the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room, and you'll overlook the balcony, and from the balcony you see Lake Ontario. And we have a den. You can see it's 54 square feet, so that's very spacious. You can easily put a double bed. In fact, they did an illustration to show that this can be easily done. We have 2 washrooms, so this is actually very nice. For me personally, I even prefer 1+1 with 2 washrooms than 2 bedroom with only 1 washroom, because this way, if you do plan to rent it out, 2 people from not the same family, they can each have their own washroom. So they have their privacy, and it's also feel much cleaner. And the other bedroom, the real bedroom, it's on the same side of the living room, and you enjoy the big window outlook, look onto the Lake Ontario. So that's really nice. All right, this is pretty much about this unit. Remember, it's only $663,000, and you are only 20 minutes from downtown Toronto. And if you drive alongside Gardiner Express, it's just going to be 20 minutes. It's much shorter than if you have to live in up north in Markham, Richmond Hill, or on the west side of Mississauga. So if you're interested in this property, contact me as soon as possible. Very often, this type of very special condo assignment fly off the shelf very quickly, and you don't want to miss the chance. And if this is not the perfect fit, don't worry, talk to me. I can cater the property search for you to include all those great value off-market properties. Looking forward to seeing you in next video. Bye-bye.